Electric bill was a little high this past month. Somebody likes to do a lot of laundry. I guess we have different perceptions on what's clean and what's dirty.
Wear it once it's dirty.
I say wear it till it gets stinky.
No.
Anyway, we're going to try and curb that electric cost by installing a
Clothesline.
clothesline. That is correct. So we went down to the Tractor Supply, got a couple pulleys and clothesline string, which I was thinking about using like aircraft grade cable because there'd be no stretch. But have no fear. I've engineered a system in which we can adjust the tension on this line. So let's get started. Working hard, I see. Alright, so what are we planning here?
We're going to build a clothing line off the deck going down that way to the tree.
Sounds like a good plan. And we're planning to do this without mounting anything permanently to the deck. So it just so happens that the previous owner of the house left this old umbrella base here, so we're going to use that and this pole that I cut out of the woods as one of the poles to support one of the pulleys. Here's the clothesline, obviously, and I've set up a little display on the table over here to kind of show you what I'm planning on doing here. So this is the pole. The umbrella base sits right here, so we're going to have this eye bolt go through the top of the pole. We're going to have one of the pulleys. Between these two pulleys, obviously, is going to be the clothesline. Now, this second pulley is going to be floating. It's going to be floating in the air because it's going to be tied back to this rope right here. This is going to be our tensioning rope. So this rope is going to go back to another pulley, which is going to be mounted high up in a tree, and that'll redirect this tensioning line down. So when we wanted to adjust the tension on the clothesline, we would simply pull down on this rope or loosen up this rope. And then also, for this pole, we're going to anchor it to a stake in the ground a little bit back from the pole. So that's our plan. Let's get started. Okay, so this end of the rope is going to be attached to the floating pulley, so I'm just going to make a double figure 8 knot. You can make any knot you want, nothing special here. Take one of my quick links, attach this to the end of the rope, and here's the floating pulley. Magical, right? Close this up. Alright, so there's our floating pulley set up. Now we're going to go to that tree over there and we're going to install an eye bolt and a secondary tensioning pulley up there. There is our tensioning pulley. Alright, so now I need to drill 2 holes for these eye bolts. So one eye bolt is going to go through the pole right here. This is going to be for our stationary clothesline pulley. And I'm going to drill a second through hole on the top. I'm going to mount an eye bolt through the top here. And this is going to be to connect to the hold down line, which is going to go to that stake in the ground, and that'll prevent this pole from tipping over forward. That's just going to hold all the tension in place right here. So. Yeah, you don't have to make it too tight. Is it a little tight?
It's different. I need the one that comes with the IKEA furniture.
Those things are such junk. Absolute garbage. This isn't the right tool, but it's better than that crap that comes with IKEA furniture. Alright, that's tight enough. Let's do the top one.
Because I'm short.
Okay. Don't cross thread it.
Huh? You need the tool again.
That tight?
Maybe a little bit more. I'm holding this so weird.
Yeah, why would you have your finger in between there?
Good thing I'm
No.
not a tech teacher.
Get your finger out of there. No, no finger in the middle. What is this? No, look. Hold it like this. Because if you have a finger in there and it slips, you're going to pinch your finger down.
This is why I'm not a tech teacher.
Alright, that's
fine.
That's
good enough.
So here's our stationary pulley. So I'm going to connect the clothesline now. I'm just going to make a square knot. So you basically make an overhand knot. And you make a second overhand knot. But the ends should come back out the way they came in. See how those two ends line up? And that should be fine.
Wow.
Take our quick link, connect it up to our lower eye bolt. That end should be good. And I have this yellow nylon rope. Not the most attractive, but it's what I have laying around. So we're going to connect that to the upper eye bolt, and we're going to tie this back down to our stake. Alright, now let's go to the other side and we'll tension up this clothesline. Alright, now I'm going to pull down on this tensioning line, and then the clothesline should tension up.
Hooray!
Oh, there's a lot of stretch in that clothesline, huh? Guess we'll try it right there. We can always adjust it. All right. We might have to put a little bit more tension in that line. Beautiful, right in the sun.
Just gotta remember not to leave it out overnight in case it rains.
What do you think? You happy?
Yes.
All right. Happy wife, happy life. Thanks for watching.